Hello everyone, I'm bringing you an update on Forex Beginner Academy. Before I joined Forex Beginner Academy, I didn't really understand what chart patterns is. Support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, moving average. I can't do those things properly. But after I took some courses in Forex Beginner Academy run by Saad Ali, I became better on support and resistance. I have a better understanding of Fibonacci retracement, moving average. I can read chart patterns. I can interpret candlestick patterns now. I can do those better now. And it was because of the courses put up by Saad Ali in Forex Beginner Academy. So if you're like me and you really want to be better on your trades, you really want to draw up support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, and moving average properly, you want to have a better understanding of candlesticks, and you want to be able to mark your charts up properly, join the academy. And you got nothing to lose because it's free. Thank you.